My name is Jibin Nasser. I have a sufficient skill in warehouse operation and procurement management. I am taking this video to avail World Skill Council certificate. I have learned more about the warehouse, importance of transportation, marketing, retailing, and the relevance of international business and logistics. Our main subject, warehouse management, provide a clean understanding about the type of warehouse, its operation, selection of location, equipment used in material handling, function, area, etc. Apart from that, it provides a thorough knowledge about how we can procure goods at the lowest price, economic way of purchasing. International business and logistics management is also worthwhile for me to know about international financial institutes, World Trade Organization and globalization, and the signification of logistics, and SCM in present sincerely how we can learn through this subject. The topic covered under modern transportation helped me to know the pros and cons of variation model, selection of system, the rule government law of insure, and so on.